welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a very exciting and a different video. So today's video is like a trend which is all over YouTube. It's very interesting to see other people doing this challenge. So I really wanted to challenge myself by doing this. So basically what you have to do is pick any one of the makeup tutorials of your favorite YouTuber, recreate or copy that. So today I have selected one makeup tutorial that Shreya Jain did, and she's an amazing YouTuber. She's so hardworking and so talented. So I really wanted to recreate her look. I picked out one makeup tutorial that she did. I'm going to try it. So I'm very excited for this tutorial. I haven't actually tried anything like this before. So this is very exciting and challenging for me. So let's see how this look turns out. And without any further ado, let's get started.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing this Instagram baddie inspired makeup look. Now Instagram videos are a huge rage and I see it out for myself. So yes, if you want to know how Instagram videos, then keep on watching. Starting off with an illuminating primer, Instagram is all about the dewy, glowy skin. I failed miserably at dropping this all over my face, so you see me just blending this out.
So in this tutorial, Shreya is using this Becca filter primer, and I don't have that. So today I will be using the e.l.f. hydrating primer all over my face. So I have taken some at the back of my hand and I'm going to apply this all over my face and massage this really well.
So you see me just blending this out. You don't have to definitely use the products that I use or the steps that I do because they're going to be extra. I'm just showing you some little things. So then I'm taking,
oh yes, I do have this professional
because obviously you don't want shine or pores on your center and the T-zone. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just pressing this down on the centers as well as my eyelids just to prime them as well. Now if you have to be an you need to have oils of all sorts.
Okay, so the facial oil that she's using, I don't have that, but I do have the Body Shop Oils of Life facial oil.
Starting off with the facial oil, and I'm going to drip it on my lips, and then I'm going to move on to peppermint oil to give me fuller lips. Again, full lips, Instagram videos go hand in hand. So I'm just rubbing it into my lips so that they get plumped up by the time I reach to my lips. No Instagram video is complete without.
So I'm going to skip this step, firstly because I don't have a color corrector, and secondly I am broke and I cannot afford one right now. So I will be skipping this step.
I'm going to mix two foundations because again Instagram is all about mixing foundations. So I'm going to shake them up and break into a dance real quickly. Using my maximum level of concentration, I'm going to take a little bit of that Estee Lauder foundation and then I'm going to add my Chanel foundation and mix them up and apply on my face. Ensure that you always shake up your foundation before applying if you don't want the water content and the foundation content to be separated. Another Instagram rule, add oil to everything. So I'm just dropping a little bit of facial oil all over my face and then blending it out with the Pack Flawlessly Me brush. I'm going in round strokes where I don't have the corrector and dabbing strokes where I have the corrector to ensure that my color corrector does not move around. So I'm going down my neck as well and then taking the sponge, just ensuring that everything is blended into everything.
Wait.
Then I'm taking two concealers. I love layering concealers even if it wasn't like an Instagram video.
Oh yes, I love layering my concealers too.
So I'm applying the Urban Decay one first and I'm going to then layer it on top with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Now layering concealers just ensure that you get the best coverage as well as the best texture because you're going to get the best of both worlds. So while Urban Decay is really good with the texture and the coverage, the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer adds a lot of moisture on your skin. So I'm just highlighting where I think I need highlighter and now I'm adding my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And once you're done with adding concealer, just count to 10, let the concealer dry down a bit so that you get better pigmentation. So after counting to 10, I'm going to blend it out with a sponge. And you can see with just a couple of dabs, I get such a great amount of coverage as well as the concealer blends out seamlessly. Now you don't have to wait for too long, just a little bit. You just have to work with your product and get to know about it. So just practice it at home before just applying this just before you have to head out. You know what I'm saying, right? So I'm just blending everything into everything so that my face is seamless. So I'm going to be doing cream contouring, then I'm just going to apply it on all of the areas that I want to contour first, except my nose, because I'm going to be using a lighter shade for that. And then I'm going to blend it out to nothingness, and then I will later put on powder on top of it just to intensify and make it last longer. Generally, if I'm doing cream contouring, I will just set the whole of my face with a loose translucent powder and not care about, you know, layering it with more contour, or I'll just go directly with powder. I don't like do all of the steps, but I had to for this one. So I'm using a lighter shade for nose right here. I just got a little swayed away with all of the yarn I was giving you about myself, and then I'm just blending it out. And then I'm going to take Coty Aspen loose powder and I'm going to bake.
So I don't have any loose powder, so I will be using some baby powder instead.
My under eyes. Now, of course, no Instagram video is complete without baking. Baking is huge on Instagram. I'm baking under my eyes as well as on my eyelid to ensure that my colors blend out seamlessly. I'm also baking around my mouth because I tend to crease there.
So for the highlighter, I will be using this cream highlighter from Colourpop.
Taking Huda Beauty's highlighter palette, I'm actually going to use just the cream shade and add oil to it, of course, and then pick it up on my brush. I just like the cream shade from this palette and nothing else. I'm going to be applying it to the general areas that I like to highlight. That is going to be my cheekbones, my nose, between my brows, forehead, cupid's bow, and chin. This might look a little too much right now, but by the end of it, it will all come together.
I will be using this shade right here.
Yellow powder and then dust off my base. I'm going to be using more powder to remove powder. The yellow powder will also brighten up my face a little bit more. So that's what I'm doing. And then I'm going to take Levitation from the same palette and bronze up my face just to give more structure and warmth to my face. I'm using a big fluffy brush for this. Then taking a more structured brush, I'm going to contour my face using a cooler toned color. Again, this might look like a little too much, but wait for the miracle step. Taking Becca Champagne Pop, and yes, I like to keep everything in their boxes. I'm just going to apply it on top of the cream highlighter that I applied earlier. Don't worry, it will
I'm not.
And then taking the miracle step, I'm going to be using a makeup fixing spray. I'm going to take a quick little shower, maybe not so quick, but yes, a shower in this one. And after I'm done soaking myself up in this one, I'm going to take my sponge and damp it all over my face. Now dabbing will really ensure everything melts into everything and marries everything and looks like your skin.
I don't have Anastasia, but I will be filling my brows the usual way. So I like using this brown shade right here from the Maybelline Nudes palette, and I just like to fill them in. So I'm going to do them the usual way.
Once I'm done with that, I'm going to set them the Gimme Brow.
Okay, so I do not have the Gimme Brow, but I have the Essence Make Me Brow Gel.
This will also add more volume to my brows because this does have fibers in it. And then I'm going to clean up my brows using my concealer. I'm just going to clean it underneath. And I've been loving doing this step. It just makes the brows look so much more structured and defined. Again, this was something that Instagram introduced me to.
I have this palette.
And I'm going to pick up this beautiful shade and start it as a transition color in my crease. I'm not going to connect it to the outer corner of my eye, but I'm just going to let it be there in my crease. Darkening this crease color with a beautiful color. This has tones of red in it as well. So again, I'm just going in the crease. Instagram again is all about red tones and warm tones, beautiful eyeshadows. Taking this foiled, almost metallic eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid. And I'm sort of cutting my crease so that it's a very soft cut crease look. It's not a harsh cut crease look, but a very soft one. I'm going to blend everything into everything before going in with the glitter liner by NYX, and I'm going to apply it on my crease. Now this can be tricky, take your time with this, just map out, see how you want your liner to be. I did mess up a little, but I cleaned it up later. Taking a black liquid liner, I'm just going to make a winged liner sharp enough to cut a bitch into half, and then I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelids, not eyelids, lash line. But yes, I'm just making a nice winged liner, and after that I'm going to be going into mascara, which I don't know why I'm not going into still. Yes, using the False Lash Superstar Mascara, Superstar. Superstar Mascara by L'Oreal. I'm gonna be
Okay, so
using
today I will be
Transform
using
lashes.
the Samantha lashes by Huda Beauty, and I am going to wear this off camera.
I'm gonna kind of contour my lips. I've heard that you need a darker lip liner for contouring, but I really don't like the look of my lip liner peeking through from beneath my lipstick, so that's why I use mauve.
So I don't have this MAC liquid lip, but I do have a similar shade to this, and it is the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Berry. The eyes are to die for. It is such a beautiful look. I'm so proud of myself. Cut crease glitter liner was a little tricky. I'm proud of Shreya. Oh my god, girl, you did such an amazing job. So yes, this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you did enjoy, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.